In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable a word prediction accommodation for students on the RISE writing test. This will apply to students in 5th and 8th grade for the summative test, although any grade level between 3rd and 8th grade can administer a writing interim or benchmark. First, go to utahrise.org and log in to TIDE. Then go to Forms and Submit Forms. Select the Scribe Request form and hit Select. Most of this form pertains to speech-to-text accommodations or scribing, and there are some things that you can ignore. But first, you should specify which student requires the accommodation, and then select Embedded Speech-to-Text Voice Recognition Software. Then specify whether it's an IEP or 504 or an emergency that the student is using word prediction, and select for which assessments word prediction should be enabled. If the student is not using scribing or speech-to-text along with word prediction, you can leave those unselected. Click the agreement and then hit Submit, and that will notify staff at USBE that word prediction needs to be enabled for your student. When the student logs into their writing test, they will notice as they type that a box will pop up with suggested spellings automatically based on what they're typing. So they can use their mouse to click on the word that they want to type, or they can use the number keys to select the word that they want to type. Since using the word prediction tool in RISE may require some getting used to, it's important that students with that accommodation are able to practice it using benchmarks or the training tests. If you have any questions about the word prediction accommodation on RISE, please let me know. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or at 801-567-8393. You can also reach out directly to the Special Education Assessment Specialist at USBE, Tracy Gooley, at tracy.gooley@schools.utah.gov or at 801-538-7887.